Hello, it's John, Shopkeep Arty. We've got a brilliant workshop plan with professional artist Graham Booth. Say hello, Graham.
Hi, folks. Hi, John.
Hello. It's exploring a boat scene with winter skies. What they're going to be learning at this workshop, Graham?
Well, it's really all about the winter part of it, John, because in the Northern Hemisphere, the light's getting lower, it's getting different. We tend to think of winter as gloomy, but if we paint a gloomy painting, it's not very nice to look at. So we'll be concentrating on how we can make our winter scenes really bright, really colorful, and really exciting.
I'm really looking forward to it. And it's Thursday, 9th of December, 3:30 in the afternoon, UK time. Make sure you join us. It's going to be a huge amount of fun. Till then, take care. Bye.
Bye, folks.